high school banana. I love you. You're so sweet. I miss when this hot and spicy shrimp ramen, it used to have little dehydrated shrimps in it. That was fire as fuck. I'm doing good. I was about to make some content, but then I like had this weird like cramp in my abdomen. So I'm like eating first and seeing if it's gonna go away. It feels really weird, like I can't move without it like tightening up. Heels? Oh, I thought you were talking about Overwatch. No. Where have I been? On my other platforms? Do I gotta charge for those? I do. I'm just advertising my Oscar Foxtrot. Vane, when are we gonna play Raft? Tomorrow. Oh, this is kind of hitting the spot, I'm not gonna lie. Can't I just decline co-hosts for like ever? Poor baby. Wait, what? Well, I do stream tomorrow. So either way, you can at least watch me, or you can join. Hi, Tony. Ooh, yummy. I put some Lao Gun Ma in this, and I got one of the peanuts. How long are you live for? Probably like 15 minutes. Ooh. Yummers. What platform do you stream games on? Twitch. I tried the new tank yesterday, it's pretty decent. Yeah, I don't even play tank and I tried them and it's pretty good. I'm doing Ed Sheshes later on my Oscar Foxtrot if you guys want to message me. Yes. I pretty much only play Overwatch. Been playing some Raft recently. It's not that spicy. You comp? Yeah, I'm only like silver 3. Because as a support main, I can only be as good as my teammates are. It's really freaking annoying. Then I get her to give Warframe a second chance. Fuck Warframe, dude. If I wanted to listen to old people talk in my ear over and over, I'd just go to church. Beautiful earrings? I'm not wearing earrings. What are you talking about? Yeah, I actually added Laoganma to this so it would be more spicy. Do you know where Moira? I'm a Zenyatta main, but I haven't been playing him recently because I want to rank up. So I've been playing a lot of Moira. And if my team's really good, I'll just play Mercy. I'm gonna get a haircut? I don't even know what your hair looks like, to be honest. But I hope it goes well. Men getting haircuts is scary. Zin can't move, that's my problem with him. Yeah, I'm just so good at killing people on him. Okay, here's one big piece of advice. If you're like, oh, I don't like Zin because he can't move. His kick not only knocks people back, but it does a lot of damage. So if someone gets really close to you, kick. It does a lot of damage, more than other heroes. Thank you for the gift. What's it called? Melee. If you haven't played the new 6v6, the classic, it is not like the peak Overwatch 1. I never played Overwatch 1, but this is what I've heard. If you are expecting like 2018 Overwatch, it's not. It's like Overwatch when it first came